in pure shock. We actually went down to the red light district. And a very good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Welcome to my 23rd birthday vlog video, which I would love to be able to sit here and tell you the plan for the day as I usually do at the start of every video, except right now I genuinely have no idea. Charlie has got this whole day planned out as a surprise, and all I know so far is that we left the house at 2:30 in the morning. She's packed absolutely everything that we need, so I've got no idea what's even packed. All I brought out with me was my phone and a bottle of water, so your guess is as good as mine. I'm going to bring you along with me for the day and show you what we get up to. So yeah, welcome to my birthday vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below, and other than that, let's begin.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, I am in pure shock and such a state of confusion because we've just parked at the NEC in Birmingham and now we've wandered over to airport arrivals. Like, here behind me is the airport and I think we're going on a plane for the day. I just don't know where we're going. We could be going to like Scotland or Ireland or maybe somewhere closer like France. But then I don't know, because for one day, I don't know, I'm in such a state of confusion. I have no idea where we're going. This is really weird to be at the airport and to have not planned anything. How mad, how mad. I'll catch up with you when I have a next guess or I know more. But we are currently heading to the departure lounge. So eventually I found out we were going to Amsterdam and cried in front of the whole airport. I didn't update you all after that just because it was such a stressful experience, and by the time we got to our gate it was already on final call. So just enjoyed the travel montage, I suppose. And just like that, we have touched down in Amsterdam. We've just got the train from the airport into Amsterdam Central. It was a really easy journey and only cost like €11.40 for the two of us. We're both feeling quite tired and hungry, so the first stop is going to be some breakfast. We're just going to have a wander into towns and keep our eyes open for any sort of bakery that sounds like coffees, orange juices, that sort of thing. So really excited to be here, but I can't really think about anything else. Oh no, thank you.
Open your heart for Jesus Christ.
Oh, I'm okay, thank you. I can't remember what I was saying now, but yeah, we're just very happy to be here. But I can't think of much else until I get some food, so I'll catch up with you later. Wow, hello again everyone. How are we all? I am absolutely shattered. It's about 2:30 now, and we've just come away from Amsterdam city centre to come and check into our hotel, because we can check in at about 3 o'clock, so they let us come in early, which is quite nice. They also let us upgrade our room to a king size bed for free, so no complaints there. We're staying at somewhere called Inside, but it's spelled INN, by Melia. It's a little bit out of the centre, but it's such a nice room. I actually can't believe it. Let me give you a tour. So as you come in, this is what you see. Over here, we've kind of just dumped all of that stuff down there for now, but you've got loads of storage, coat hangers and things if you were staying for longer, a safe. You've got a mini fridge up here. They've given us some waters and some juices and things, which is quite nice. Some cups. We have a little table seating area in front of the telly, which is really nice. I love those chairs. I really, really like those. We've got 2 massive windows which look out onto not very much, to be honest. This is where we've just got the train to come into the hotel, and then as you turn around from the windows, we have the king size bed. Love the headboard. We have a little phone down there to come to room service, and then it's all very open plan. As you can see there, you've got a little sneak preview of our shower. I don't think this is the exact room that Charlie booked. She just booked a double, so it wasn't like this, but it's still really nice. So you've got the shower there, a nice big rainfall head, loads of space in there, which is really nice. You've got your little sink area with soaps and things, mirror with lights, and then just in this little room here, we have the toilet. Not much to really show you in there. Oh, and then there's also a full-length mirror here. As far as our plans for the day now go, we're going to chill here for a little bit. As I've already mentioned, we are both really tired. Our feet are killing us. I think we've done about 20,000 steps already, but it's been so nice to just wander around Amsterdam. All of the canals are exactly how I picture them, with like your traditional streets. They look so beautiful. This afternoon we will definitely head back into town. I'm sure our stomachs will tell us when to, because we'll go based on probably when we're hungry, because other than that pancake this morning, we haven't had anything else to eat, so I will be in need of some food at some point soon. And I don't know what activities we're going to look at doing. At some point we want to do a little tour along the canal on one of the boats. They look really good and they're only about €10 each. We also want to go to the lookout, because they've got a big swing there that goes out from the building. You'll see what I mean if we go, but that's quite a popular tourist attraction too, and Charlie did it last time that she came to Amsterdam when she was like much younger, and really enjoyed it. So those are 2 options for today, maybe, kind of weather dependent, the second one. But yeah, I'll keep you updated with what our plans are, but for now it's just going to be a little bit of chill time to have a drink and a rest, which I really feel like I need. But I am very happy to be here and happy to be busy, because usually we don't really do much on our birthdays. We like to stay at home and just have a chill one, but it's nice to switch things up a little bit, especially when switching it up means that you get to come to Amsterdam. So yeah, very happy to be here. But now I really need to go and jump on that bed and also check it for pubes. So that's what I'm going to go and do.
Ready, steady, go! Oh. The chair moved.
Oh no!
What?
I broke my dress.
How?
You're joking me! My dress is snapped as I jumped.
Oh my god.
It snapped. Ah! We may have a broken dress, but on the plus side, the pube check has been passed. After a 2-hour nap, we headed back into town to get some food and ended up eating at the Nude Burger Club. Highly recommend going here if you're ever in Amsterdam. The food was beautiful. But after eating, because it was raining, we decided to head on the boat tour, and here are a few clips from that.
Just where it was needed, gleaming in black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time.
And a very good morning everyone. Welcome back to day 2 of our Amsterdam vlog, as we actually go home this evening. So this is our last and final day. I don't even know where to begin, to be honest. I feel like I'm going to save catching up and how incredible it's all been until the end of this vlog once I've got home. But for now, I just want to catch you up briefly on last night. So as you would have seen, we went back into town, we got something to eat. Then we went across and we actually went on a boat tour along the canals. And it was so nice. It was chucking it down with rain, but it was actually actually just so peaceful and a really nice way of seeing the city, because otherwise we're never going to cover all of it on foot for the amount of time that we're here. And then after doing the boat tour, we actually went down to the red light district just because we were kind of interested. I feel like you can't really come to Amsterdam and not go and have a nose, because you hear lots of things about it, and so you just want to see it in real life. Obviously I don't have any footage from that, you're not allowed to film there anyway, and I wouldn't want to out of respect for the girls that work down there. But it was so cool. That's all I can really say about it. They were all just standing in the windows, red curtains everywhere. You literally cannot miss it. I think it's in the De Valen area, Havalen, something like that. But yeah, I highly recommend going to check that out, because it was just so interesting to see how it all worked, and we saw a few people going in and out, and it just made me giggle. It's just a fun way to end the night. This morning we're up and ready. I've had a lovely shower in that rainfall shower, and we're actually off to the Anne Frank Museum this morning. Again, something that I can't film anything of just because I don't allow any photography or videography in there. Obviously this is the main reason why we are here. Charlie booked it quite far in advance as it's really hard to get tickets, but because we can't film, I'll debrief with you all afterwards as to how it was, because I'm so excited to go. I've always had such a big interest in this sort of topic and this sort of period of time, so I'm really excited to go there this morning. After the museum we'll go and have some breakfast, and we're also interested in going to the lookout today, but we'll catch up with you all a little bit later and tell you more about what our plans are for the day. And then obviously we fly home this evening. Our flight is at 9 o'clock, so I'm thinking we need to leave here at about 6ish, so that's kind of the rough plan of the day for now, but I will speak to you all a little bit later once we're in town. Okay, so we've just finished up in the Anne Frank Museum and having breakfast. As I said earlier, I'll debrief with you all about the museum and things at the end of the video, but to sum it up in a few words, I would probably just say it was really emotional but really important to go and see, and I'm so glad that we went. We had breakfast just opposite the museum, and I can't believe how much food we ordered. We honestly didn't expect it. Charlie got the club sandwich, and when it came out she was like, that is not the club sandwich, is it? Yeah, we looked a little bit ridiculous with the amount of food that we had at the table, but we did try our best, and we're now uncomfortably full. However, we are walking down to just behind Central Station, I believe, to catch the ferry, but to the other side of the water, because there's a lookout over there that I was on about earlier. So we're going to go to the top of the lookout and hopefully go on the swing that's at the top too, because it swings you out over the canal or the sea. I'm not entirely sure. I'll take you with us. But yeah, at the moment just uncomfortably full, but looking forward to going up to the lookout, especially because it's such a beautiful day today, especially in comparison to yesterday too. So it's just coming up to 3:30 and we've come to the airport early because we are both exhausted. We couldn't do any more of Amsterdam, we are all Amsterdammed out. We're just sitting in Starbucks because we're a little bit too early to go through to departures. I got us a Rocky Road, a little cookies and cream brownie, some crisps, some drinks, And the drink that I picked up was the mango and dragon fruit refresher. Look how pink that is. I'm going to give it a go, but I need to use a straw, I think, because the lids are slightly different to what we have at home. Let's see. Give it a little mixy mix. Oh yeah. Kind of tastes the same as the orange and mango, but with there's a little hint in the aftertaste. 6 out of 10. Not as good as the orange and mango, but still really nice and something different that we don't have at home too. So I think the plan is just to chill here for an hour or so before we can head through to departures, and then when we can do so we'll go through. Apparently there's really long queues and things because of staff shortages, so we just got here a little bit earlier to be on the safe side. Once we've gone through we'll sit down and have some proper food and things ready for the plane, and then our flight is at 9 PM, so fingers crossed all goes to plan. All I'm going to say is that it's such a good job we got there early because the queues were no joke. But eventually we managed to get through and headed towards our gate. We also had a little bit of time just to mess around on these massage chairs. I've never done one before and they were so much fun. We took off over the most beautiful sunset, which was a stunning end to our trip. And I'm just so speechless about this whole experience. That kind of brings me to the end of the video as well. I'm going to leave a list of my recommendations for Amsterdam down below. But if you've enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and other than that I look forward to seeing you all very soon in the next one. Here's to my 23rd year.